Hey Madness fam. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make panetela cake, guava cake. So I have my guava paste, my cake mix, my milk, my eggs, and I'm gonna show you my step-by-step on what I do in my cake. Hope you enjoy, and if you're not part of the Madness fam, make sure you smash that button and become part of the Madness fam. I use super moist vanilla cake mix. I don't use water, I use a cup of milk instead. Make sure you put butter or Pam or parchment paper on your pan, baking pan. Make sure the batter has no clumps in it. Next, you want to slice up the guava paste and put it in the cake batter. After you put your desired amount of guava, you're going to then want to pour the remaining cake batter on top. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. I had it in the oven for 35 minutes or until the top is nicely golden brown. I put caramel drizzle on my cake slice and it makes it taste even better. You can put whatever you want. What's that? How's that? That's really good. Let's try it.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, you want to try it?
Sure. I'll try the cake and I'll try the... I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth. Can I have a better piece?
It's good, yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
Some caramel. Good, yeah? Bye-bye. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.